Discovery Cove Dolphin Swim. If you're not familiar, Discovery Cove Orlando is an all-inclusive day resort tucked into the heart of Orlando with all of the aquatic adventures to match. So much is included in your Discovery Cove day, including up-close animal experiences, unlimited food and drinks, including beer and wine, and totally relaxing swimming and lounging opportunities everywhere you look. The resort itself will transport you to a tropical paradise, complete with white sand beaches and glimmering waterfalls. Discovery Cove also offers some enhancements to your day at an additional cost, and one of our favorites is a Signature Dolphin Swim. Here's everything you need to know about this one-of-a-kind experience. How do I make my Discovery Cove Dolphin Swim reservation? Visit UndercoverTourist.com to save on Discovery Cove packages, including the Dolphin Swim. You'll need to choose a date for your visit, as only a limited number of people are allowed in the resort each day. Include SeaWorld and Aquatica in your Discovery Cove ticket package, and enjoy 14 days unlimited admission at those two theme parks as well. Upon arrival, your Discovery Cove Dolphin Swim time will be assigned by the host or hostess you check in with. The early frog gets the fly, meaning the earlier you arrive, the more flexibility and availability there will be with your swim time. Hop tip. Considering those frequent Florida afternoon showers, try hopping on a morning swim to be safe. Who can participate in the dolphin swim? While there is lots of fun for tadpoles at Discovery Cove, for the safety of guests and animals alike, children must be at least 6 years old to participate in the dolphin swim. Ages 6 to 12 need to be accompanied by a paying adult who's also participating in the experience. How deep is the water? The water for the dolphin swim is only 4 feet deep. This shallow swim keeps you closer to the shore, and there won't be any point at which you can't stand up. What do I wear? You'll need to wear either a wetsuit or vest during your swim. The water can feel quite chilly, so we recommend the wetsuit on most days. Let's not forget that Florida sun. Discovery Cove provides animal-safe sunscreen to all guests, keeping you safe from the sun and our dolphin friends safe from harmful chemicals. Sunglasses are allowed and totally recommended for the Discovery Cove Dolphin Swim because the glare of sunlight on that water can get pretty intense. Wetsuits, vests, and sunscreen are provided to you at no extra charge. How many dolphins do you get to meet during the Discovery Cove Dolphin Swim? You'll meet one super special dolphin during your swim, but see many others playing and swimming in the lagoon. We love that this makes the experience a bit more intimate, as you really get to learn all about your dolphin. Your designated trainers will answer any and all questions you and your tadpoles have about the dolphins and other Discovery Cove marine life, making the experience interesting and informative. Did you know that dolphins only have one set of teeth for their entire lifespan? Hop tip. Budget about an hour of your day for the dolphin swim experience. What about the most important part, the photo ops? Your Instagram will be hopping after your Discovery Cove Dolphin Swim. While photographers are available to take pictures in the water, photo packages come at an additional cost. We recommend springing for the largest photo package, especially for a big group, so you can get all of your photo downloads. The dolphins were sweet enough to pose for both solo and group shots. Our dolphin even gave us kisses. Note that for the safety of the dolphins, personal cameras are not permitted in Dolphin Lagoon. If there's anyone in your party not participating in the dolphin swim, they're more than welcome to take photos and video from the shoreline. Otherwise, leave the photography to the professionals and enjoy your dolphin time. Are you ready to swim with the dolphin at Discovery Cove? Save on Discovery Cove packages at Undercover Tourist. What questions do you have about this experience? Let us know in the comments below.